galit eh.
Retribution.
Eh.
Hi. Can
Oh,
you
what's
help
this?
us?
Why you here? Why you here? Ah! Okay. It's
This is Shani. Hope you hear me all right. Whoever brought down that deforester may have brought down other machines as
Pati ka
well.
kampi.
See what you can find.
Saan ba meron dito?
Check. Ano to? Blue gate ba to? Blue gate. Marami ka baso dito eh. Gate approach. Saan ba tayo? Pinakamalapit. Dito.
Let's move to that location.
Doon?
Tao doon, oh.
Saan?
Dito.
Let's go to Trapper's Glade. Warning. There. Let's go to the ruined homestead.
Pero doon sa mark ko doon. Bastion.
Ano? Sino yun?
I don't know. Ayun ka, kaunti natin.
Layo pala nung ping mo, kuya.
Hindi. Yan lang. Sarap mo na. 123.
May ano? Kuya. Rocketeer. Nasaan?
Reaper. By the warehouse.
Dito sa baba?
Reaper dyan. Bastion. Bastion ba? Wait. Oh, tama. Bastion yan. Wala pa? Wala pa tayo.
Wala, baka nasa baba yan, kuya. Rocketeer, pwede rin, kuya.
Suma?
Oo, suma?
Sige. Uy! Wow!
Kuya, iba to mo!
Wait.
Takbo. Aray!
Buhay pa rin! Oh shit! Aray! Lagi buhay pa rin! Ay, buhay pa rin ba? O bumagsak na?
Rocketeer. Over there.
Matras.
Help us, bro!
This is almost dead. But this one, I mean, is almost dead. Dito tayo.
In the hen house.
Or here.
Over there.
Feeling ko dalawang, tatlo ang Rocketeer. Tatlong wolf.
Rocketeer. Over there.
Marilinin na kaya natin, ba nabuhay tayo?
Come here, bro!
Baril natin. Sige pa.
Ba't tayo malaglag dito? Yun! Bumagsak na!
CCD pa. Yun! Let's go! Sir.
Nakuha ka?
Yes. I got Rocketeer driver. Shit, oh shit. Bastion yun, di ba?
Ata.
Yun lang, wala na tayong